Hi everybody, this is Jean-Charles Compagnon with the KiOui app, and today I want to show you how to add the key Googalytics store code so that you can track your store, within your store traffic within Google Analytics using key Googalytics. So if you go to the application, which is already loaded for me here, and you click on Config Store, you will need to enter that information here, your property ID and your store domain. Once you do that, you click Save, and it's going to update your code right here. If this code doesn't show up, it's probably because you do not have it set up. Once you set it up, this code will show up here. Now, what you want to do from there is go to your store. So I'm going to go to, let's see, jcdust.com. That's my eBay store. It's going to redirect to my eBay store. And I'm going to go down there and click Manage My Store. You can get there by different ways. It's asking me to log in. But basically, you want to go to the Manage Your Store area. And it takes a little minute to load. I don't know what. There you go. So the question that many of you have is, okay, well, I have this code here, but where do I put it so that I can track my my eBay traffic or my store traffic? In an earlier video, I showed you how to set up a filter to just record store.ebay.com, and I'll show you that a little bit again at the end of this video, just in case you forgot. So what you're going to want to do is to come here to your store, and you're going to want to go to the promotion boxes here, and you're going to want to create a promotion box. I already have some set up for me, but you can create promotion, scroll down, and communicate with buyers is what we're going to use because it lets you put some personal HTML into it. We're going to click Continue, and it's going to pull the location. Now the location, you want to put it at a place where it's going to display on every single page of your store. And usually the left area, thank God I have something to say because this is a little slow tonight. The left area of your store, this part here, is probably the best because some of those here might not display on every single page, whereas if you put it here on the left, it will display all the time. So I'm just going to select the left navigation lower, which is here. And I want it to display on all category of my store, so every single page. I'm going to click Continue. And you can make it your shipment, part of your shipment, or what you want. But I'm going to select Custom. And Custom, you want to use Custom because it will let you enter some HTML here. Now you will not want to put your code inside the standard here. You will want to put it into the enter your own HTML. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to press Control A to select everything, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it right there. Once this is done, you can put whatever you want into it. You can use this, this custom box to be an Azure box. This store key Googalytics. There you go. That's just going to be the title. Save it. And now, on the lower left, I have this test store key Googalytics. So if I now go to my store here, you can see that on the bottom left, Well, it's not going to show, obviously, because I didn't write anything in it. Let's go back to it and let's edit the thing. Hello world. And I'm going to display the title bar and border, sure. And the promotion is going to be Hello World, just so you can see it. It just shows Hello World here, but in the back, well, I guess it's making me lie. So let's take this, copy it again, and let's paste it right there. And save it. Okay, I'm going to go back into it just to show, or just to see that the code is still there. Enter your own HTML, you can see that the code is right there. So now I'm just going to go back out of it. I don't want to edit this, and I'm going to go to my store. Now on the bottom left, I have this hello world that displays. And because it displays here, the code is actually part of it. If I were to, let's see, to try to do a view source of my page, there, and this is a little bit technical. You don't need to know that, but this is to show you that the code is actually behind it. If I go to the hello world, there is actually this code here, which is our Googalytics, that is added here, added by Googalytics, which were actually added by you. But I want to show you that even though it doesn't display anything, the code is right there in your page. You could use this custom code, and instead of displaying it inside this, you could do like me. I'm going to go back to the manage, and I'm actually going to remove this test and remove this promotion box because I don't need it. But if I go to my shipping and payment, for example, and click edit, continue, and shipment, so this is a shipping and payment custom box. Geez, I'm sorry. You can see that I've pasted my code on the bottom of the body text right here. So if you look on my store, you will see that it stops here, and you will not see this, but this is on the bottom. I'm going to copy my phone number here, just so I can show you in the source code as well. Let's go back. Let's go to the store. And so my source code is actually right below here, but it's invisible. You can't see it because it's just a tracking code. If I go to the source and I search for my phone number, it's finding my phone number here, and check what it finds here. The source code for the Googalytics for my store. So this is how you add it to your store, how you add that store tracking code to your store. Again, you're going to want to go to your store, go to the bottom, click manage your store. You're going to want to wait a little bit, just like me. I guess it has to load on eBay side. And you're going to want to go to the promotion boxes. Once you're in promotion boxes, you're going to want to either edit one of your promotion boxes or select or create a new promotion boxes to be on the left and possibly on the bottom left. If you already have some promotion boxes, just edit the one that you have and paste the code into it. If you have a custom header, like some of those store, let's see, I'm going to, who do I know that has a custom header store? I guess I don't know anybody. Let's see, maybe, let's see if Nanette store has a custom header, and they do. So you could paste your code as well within this header here within this HTML code, because it's being displayed on every single page of your store. And the important thing is that every time it's being displayed, then it counts and it tracks whoever is visiting your store. So if I go on Google Analytics website to show you a little bit what it looks like, and most likely I'm going to have to this is not the right area. Adobe Analytics. I want Google Analytics. What am I doing? And I'm going to sign in. It's probably going to sign in with the wrong account because I have a couple of accounts. But let's see what it does. Yeah, it didn't sign in with the right account. So let's sign in with the right account. And once you are here, one of the things that I showed in another video is how to create a filter to just display your store traffic here. So if, for example, you want to create a new one, you would want to go to your account and let's see, go to the admin area, pick up one of the name, and you would want to create a new profile. And within this profile here, you would want to create a filter where you only include store hits. And to do that, you create a filter like this that just includes traffic to the host name that is equal to stores.ebay.com, because I put stores.ebay.com here. This is a way of filtering it. And once this is set up, this will only record your store traffic. Now, something that's interesting to know is that when you look at your real-time data here, if I go to overview, for example, this data here, and I think it's written somewhere in Google, in some of the page, this data does not filter per the profile. However, I'm seeing here that there's a new thing. So I guess I'm wrong. Now Google created a new way of doing it so that real time is actually just filtering the profile. So that is great. So this right here will show you the traffic. So let's try to just do a hit. I'm going to do a hit to my website. And let's see if it comes here in the real time. And here you go. Look at that. It's coming from Hennepin County, Minnesota. That is me. And it's hitting my store here, accessing this JC DUS. And of course, you know, you can get more detail if you go to your store, not real time. I guess if you go to the standard reporting and try to pull some information with it. So let's see if I go to page views, for example, instead. So you can see that my store is getting decreasing traffic, and this is normal. We've passed Halloween. I sell wigs. But this is how you get some information as to where people are coming from for your store, and how you add the tracking code. So I hope this helps some of you. If not, send me some question and I will be happy to do another video to show you how to do this. And again, thank you for using KiOui Googalytics. Thank you.